Hello and welcome. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can record a lecture. So, with simple free and open source software, it's possible to record a lecture with a lot of possibilities. So, let me first go through the hardware requirements. So I assume that you have a laptop with a built-in camera and mic, or a desktop machine with a camera and mic. If you don't have a camera and a mic with a desktop machine, I suggest a camera something like this. You can see in this picture. So this is a Logitech webcam with mic, plus it has an autofocus feature. So this will be a USB interfaced kind of camera. So you can directly plug into the USB port and it will be automatically detected. And if you are doing a lecture along with writing notes, then I would suggest you should have a device which is called a tablet with a stylus pen. Then this is also you can directly plug into a USB interface, and the writings, so you can write on this tablet. So these writings will be captured by a software, and you can directly use it to your online lecture. So there is a company called Wacom. So you can procure a tablet, not that much expensive tablet. You can procure a Wacom tablet for this purpose. Then the software requirements, you need a screen capturing software. So I suggest very good software which is called VocoScreen, so which is free and open source software, and it works both for Windows and Linux. So this is the logo of this software. So it can be freely downloaded, and you can install it in your machine, and the recorded video will be in varieties of formats, but I suggest you record it in MP4 format. So this is the logo indicating an MP4 format. So if you are using a tablet with stylus, you would require another piece of software. I suggest a free and open source software called MyPaint. So this is the logo of this software, MyPaint. This is also available for both Linux boxes and Windows. So this also you can download it and install it in your PC or laptop. Now it's a good idea to have a channel of your own in YouTube, because YouTube provides a facility for uploading videos, and you can share these videos in varieties of format. For example, you can share your video as a public sharing. That means anybody can search and find out your video, and they can play and watch. Or you can restrict to the link. You can create a link and you can share it to your students. So only those students who are having this link will be only able to look at your video. So the basic idea is, if you are using a LMS like Moodle, so directly you can incorporate the link in the Moodle format, so that when students are logged in the Moodle system, they can directly access that link and see. So it's a good idea to start with restricted access. If you are confident, then you can put your videos in public domain, so that other students from all over globe might be interested in your lecture, and they might be stumbled in your video once, and they will also get a chance to watch your video. So I suggest a YouTube channel. You can start your own YouTube channel. Only requirement is a Gmail account. Those institutions having a G Suite account can create a channel with their G Suite provided email ID, or with the institutional email ID, or a public Gmail ID can be used to start a YouTube channel. So all your videos will be uploaded in the YouTube channel. So it's always available 24/7. It will be available from the Google Cloud. Or you have another option where you can upload it in a drive, Google Drive, and you can provide an access from the Google Drive as well. So advantage of using YouTube is another versatile tool, access to versatile tool, which is recently announced by Google, which is called as Studio, where you can do some kind of editing to your YouTube videos. So if you want to cut some portions of the video, you can do that from the cloud itself. You can do that. So there is no need to install any video editing software in your system. It's available there. So these are the things required to record a lecture. So in the next video, I will demonstrate how you can use these tools to make a good lecture video. Thank you.